The really annoying thing about this Mercedes is that when it finally becomes a sunny day and you want to put the roof down, this happens. This happens when the gas struts holding the boot separator down get worn and they don't hold it down with enough pressure. So we bought these. I'll put the part number down in the description, but for now we're going to fix the car. So first thing we're going to do is open the roof halfway so we can see inside the boot space. With the boot half open, we can see the grass struts here and here. We should just be able to lever these off with a screwdriver. There we go. And the same for the other side. There we go. Here's the old one, now we just have to put in the new one. So this was how easy the old one was to push. And this was how easy the new one is to push. So it should be much better. So this one, we're just going to push it in and out and then clicks into place really nice and easy. You can feel how much stiffer these new gas struts are. And when you pull it down, you can feel how much firmer it is. Let's see if it works. Wow, that only took one try this time. So now, instead of pulling our hair out at traffic lights, we can have the wind in our hair as we drive. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for updates.